Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a MSD 6AL2. I'm going to show you how to install that today. I'm going to be installing it on my 1994 Z28 Camaro. But the 6AL2, it has its ignition box, and it also comes with a two-step. So I bought the wiring harness so that way I don't have to solder anything. Just plug and play to make it easier. So now we got to find out where to mount the two-step. Well, let's look at it first. Let's open it up and look at it. Alright, so open it up. Right here we got the box. I'm going to take that out. And it comes with some hardware, looks like. Got sticker. Stickers. It comes with this pamphlet, it looks like. And this little letter, I guess. And then it comes with instructions. So let's go ahead and look under the hood and see where we can mount this box set. Alright guys, so I'm thinking about mounting a two-step right here, this area. So next I gotta run all my wires, figure out where to run them at, what goes to what. Alright y'all, so yesterday I didn't bother recording, so I was just pretty much mounting the box yesterday. But I did get that mounted. Ran some of the wires, just worried about getting it mounted. Didn't try to record or anything. But we'll do some more recording today. So yesterday, pretty much, I got the box mounted. That's pretty much what's the hard part. I got that mounted. Then I ran my wires. I still got to clean them up because they're everywhere. So I ran my power, ran it down here, under there, up through here, and then to this little block right there. The two-step, I still need to run it in the car. I was thinking about wiring it up to the clutch. I just gotta figure out how I want to do that. I will have to extend this wire because it doesn't reach all the way over there. I gotta run it through the firewall over there. So the hardest part of this was to get the two-step mounted, figuring out where you want it at. I believe that's the hardest part. And after that, it's pretty easy. But here you got the tack. I'm not going to be needing that. I already tested it out, and I don't need it. It works without it. This wire and this isn't needed because we don't have that. I believe that's for the magnetic pickup, but we don't run that. And then I ran my ground. There's my power. And I ran my ground from here under there to that nut right there. And then this white wire, these wires right here, and then this red wire or pink wire It goes to the coil, which is under there. I'll remove the intake out so y'all can see that. After you get it mounted and everything, then, so I ordered a wiring harness that goes to the coil. So it makes it a plug and play deal. Now I would recommend, if you was going to do this, to get one of these. You don't have to splice. It's just plug and play. Pretty easy. Now when I ran my power to my block over there, when I ran it under, I had to add more wire to it. Now it says if you want to add more wire, make sure that that you use 1 gauge bigger than the wire that they use. So I went up 1 gauge and came over here and connected it there. I'm gonna get this mess right here straightened up because it's an absolute mess. Try to get it looking pretty, and then I can just run my wire under there. Just that wire come out here. Well, it'll probably come out right here. Have to add more wire. Take my ECU out, run it through the firewall, and then figure out some way to wire it up there, which shouldn't be too bad. Alright guys, I'm back. So, I went ahead and took the ECU out. Got that out of the way. I went ahead and put some wire loom. Put some wire loom around these wires that's going to the coil. Got that. I do need to put something around these fuel lines so the MSD box doesn't rub into the fuel lines and cut the lines. These right here, I'm not going to be using. I'm just going to zip tie them up and tuck them away in case I decide to resell the MSD box. The person I sell it to, they can have all the wires that they might need. So I've been working on this wiring for a little ways now. I've been running the wires, trying to hide them, get them tucked away and out of sight. So I got these wires that's going to the coil in wire loom. I got some shielding around this fuel line so the box don't rub into the fuel lines. I got my 2-step wire, that tack wire, power wire, and that magnetic pickup wire running down there. It's going there, running down there, up under there, up under here. If I can see that wire right there, you tuck that away. Under here, up through here, down past the battery. I got a wire loom down there. And then up there, there's my power. I had to add more wire to the 2-step switch. So the 2-step switch is that black wire right there going up and then into the wire loom right there, and then back there, which I will do in a second. Get that cleared out back there. I have to get in there and then run it through the firewall, and then that will be good. And then hook it up. the only thing I'm slacking so far is just running the two-step wire, putting the ECU back in, and then putting my intake back in. And then I'll be ready to get out of here. Get the car out of here. Go ahead and get to work. See if we can get this done. So I got the intake back in, and I also got the ECU back in over there. I got the ECU in back over there, and then I also got the intake back in. It wasn't too hard to do. So also got the wire. Also got the wire ran for the two-step going down there into the firewall. Got that. Got it running under the dash and over to the clutch switch. So I finally got the two-step figured out. Let me show you how I got it drawn up. So I made a schematic for it. So I'm gonna have a switch controlling the two-step, which one will be the two-step, and which one will be the neutral safety switch, because I want to be able to keep that. And I'm using 2 relays for that. If y'all want to pause the video and look and use it, y'all can. And after that, that'll be last thing to do for the two-step. Just getting that wired up. And here are my 2 relays that I'm using. Should work out good. So there's my switch. So up will be, I will be able to use the two-step, and then push it down, and then I can use the neutral safety switch. So if this is up, the car won't be able to crank, because I'm still using the neutral safety switch. So I'm about putting a little LED right here whenever this is up, to let me know that it's still on. It's coming together. About done. So everything's pretty much done for wiring. I just finished up doing the two-step, wiring up the two-step. Here are my 2 relays and all the wiring. And then up here is your safety switch, what I tapped into with the relays. So that's pretty much it for wiring. Now I'll just have to put the panels back in, and it'll be good. Satisfied with it. Yeah. Hurt my ears.
Like I did a good job.
You didn't do it.
Yeah, right. You did a good job.
Send that 10-bolt where?
You gonna launch it on track and send that 10-bolt everywhere?
Yeah. Tunes flashed. Wires checked over. Tested out the clutch safety switch, and it works. Got everything buttoned up, and it's good. Next, just test it out on the street, test it out at the track, see how it worked, see if it helped out. So that's pretty much it for the install of the MSD box. Hope it helped you. I hope you learned something from it. Next, we'll just rip the car. So stay tuned for that video. I appreciate y'all watching. If I got any questions, just leave it down in the comments below. I'll also add the part numbers to what I used in the video. Hope to see you in the next one. That'll do it for today. Y'all have a good night.
We make the streams louder.